We doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Oh, what's he gonna banish here? I bet he's playing Drytrons. Well, I was gonna upload this one, but I just timed out on virtual worlds, so whoops, damn it. It's not that one. What's happening here? Oh, no way. It's TRI-BRIGADE. Let me just copy this real quick. Copy. What was it again? TRI-BRIGADE. Which one was it again? I forget. It was TRI-BRIGADE and something. At the OCG, at the OCG art. Oh, I'm locked now. Yeah, it's gonna do the wind. Yeah. Oh my god. I knew it. How can I forget? Yeah, it's game. It's this game right here. I can't do anything. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I can't do anything here. I can't even set a monster. It's just... yeah. He's got that one. He locked me out. I could only special summon wind monsters. Now I have no back row removal. That's great. I'll go first. Round 2. Dude! Oh, come on. Alpha tribute Gamma. Okay, it's gonna Gamma me. Oh, whoa. He goes to the grave? What the? I'll normal summon Eva and go into Linkaribo. Wait a minute. Oh gosh. Turnando. And they get banished after? Is it the end phase? Yeah. Jack in the hand at about 3. What the fuck? To their hand, 1 to your hand. What the heck? Confirm. Select a card. I don't even know these cards. Oh, it was LYRILUSC TRI-BRIGADE. Is it the same guy? I think I'll take this guy. This one has higher attack and more text. That's actually pretty cool. And you add 1 card to your hand. You could really pick which one. But if I do it with Drytrons, maybe I should have set this card. No, I didn't want it because I wanted to Dark Hole. Oh, we got rid of the wind barrier statue of the storm winds. What the was that? That's banished too. That's great. There it is. That an OTK? Yeah, it's OTK. Yeah, that's OTK. I would have set Forbidden Droplet. Oh god. That's game. Wow. Oh, I keep losing. And I'm bronze. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.